Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we have a pretty unique product, and we're going to have an Amazon link in the description below. This is the Instant Ocean Sea Test Hydrometer. Now what this does is it actually easily and accurately measures your marine aquarium salt level and specific gravity level with a very simple design, but I'm going to show you how this works. I have some filtered tap water, and I'm going to see where this actually lies. It's got an open top, and you just pour the water inside, and you will see that since this is, that's good. Let's see where that, you'll see that it runs by gravity. Now, check that out. You'll see that there's a red mark. These numbers are red. I assume that would mean it's an optimal area for a fish saltwater tank. Now, you'll see since this is filtered tap water that it doesn't go into that area. So I'm very perplexed actually on how this works. It's pretty, I'm sure it's simple. I'm sure there's some sort of mechanism inside that that little needle there, but it's pretty interesting because just by pouring the water in there, this thing could easily and accurately measure the amount of salt in this water, which is basically zero. And you can see that from the numbers on here. It's made by Instant Ocean, which is I think a marine, let me check that on Amazon. I'm going to read through a couple of things and what people have said about this thing as well. But let me do a 360 of this really quick. It's a pretty neat product. Just a piece of plastic, but I'm surprised that it can actually measure the salinity and the gravity level of your water. The full range scale features easy to read markings with safe zone clearly indicated. That's what I just explained. And it's got a no wet hands design. So my hands are pretty dry, even though it's quite moist. What else do we have? Will this work for saltwater swimming? Will this work for a saltwater swimming pool? It depends on what you want the salinity in the pool to be. Check with your pool guy. Is the hydrometer? What do I do? It's not a proper sentence. Is there a way to collaborate this thing? I found the most common problem for inaccurate readings is air bubbles attaching to the. And there aren't any. Oh, there are a couple little air bubbles. I'm sorry. Let's see how that works. The problem is more pronounced when testing pure water. Look at the gauge and see if there's air bubbles sticking to it. That will give you higher than usual results. So I would assume you can probably get those air bubbles off somehow. Let's see if that'll work. I don't know. Or you can just pour it slowly. Whatever. I'm sure there's a way to do it. But it's still showing that it's fresh filtered water and not salt water. So obviously it works even with the air bubbles, even though someone's saying that it doesn't, because obviously it's not salt water. Let me go through here really quick. I want to read off a couple more things. Once again, guys, Amazon link in the description below. I'll also have an eBay link for hydrometers if you're looking for cross-referencing price. You can check out the link below. And also, before I forget, we have so many pet products on Chmelaeon.com, it's ridiculous. We have fish tank accessories, we have dog toys, we have cat things, we have, you know, parrot, birds, farm stuff for, like, if you have we have a ridiculous amount of animal stuff. So be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com as well. We have a ton of that stuff. And we're looking at 4 stars for this thing. It's very affordable. This tool's like new and used from like 10, 12 bucks. Very affordable. I'm going to leave on that note. I highly recommend this product. It's very affordable. It's pretty high up on the sales rank in Amazon, and it does the job. It measures the salinity and the gravity level of your water. So, pretty cool product. On that note, check out Chmelaeon.com. If you're looking for this, Amazon link in the description below. Help support the channel and free reviews like this. Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.